Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can look at Google Maps in 3D. So let's get right into it. Now, I won't be covering Google Maps Street View, which is pretty much the main 3D sort of mode where you can go through the streets and view them from the car's point of view. That is one way of actually accessing 3D mode, but that is another thing entirely, and I do have other tutorials on if you want to access that. However, you have an option to access satellite mode on the PC and on the mobile version, so I'll be showing you guys that. I'll be showing you on PC, but I'll be explaining how to do it on the mobile version as well. So on PC, once you access the web version, just go over wherever you would like, and then go into layers in the bottom left. You can select terrain, traffic, transit, biking, and more, but what you want to do is just click on satellite, and as you can see, it'll show you Google Maps in 3D mode. Now, how exactly you would change the point of view for this, not really sure, since I tried dragging it in a couple of different ways, using the middle button, using the right click, so I can't really figure out how to move the point of view so that you can look at it from an angle. However, this is the 3D mode, which is available on maps. Other than that, you can, as I mentioned, also do street mode, but if you're on mobile, you just need to click on your profile icon in the top right, go into settings, then from there, just locate the setting that says start maps in satellite mode, and that's gonna enable you satellite mode, and using two hands or two fingers to drag the map around will of course enable you to change the verticality of it and look at it from an angle, and that is pretty much it. Other than that, if you want a true 3D mode where you can see the buildings mostly in 3D, you will need to use Google Earth. So that is pretty much it, and there's nothing else I would like to add. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.